I tend to be very careful about involvement with supplements because there can be the mistake that a supplement, if oversold, is a substitute. And as a past president of the American College of Lifestyle Medicine, I am very adamant about the fact that there is no substitute for the benefits of healthy living. But I do recognize that a lot of people really do need help to get there, from here, to get started. And as a physician who took care of patients for 30 years, I often turned both to appropriate pharmacotherapy and to supplements to give people a boost so they can get started. What I really liked about Chromadex was a commitment to that role, the idea that supporting the NAD pathway is really fundamental to energy generation and mechanisms of aging, but it's not a substitute for the benefits of lifestyle. And we all agreed on that. And we talked about the fact that there are many people here who have loss of muscle and lean body mass, and if they could get a boost from a supplement that gives them more energy, they could tap into the benefits of physical activity they couldn't otherwise do. There was broad agreement on the context. There's also really impressive science. We talk about 200 scientific publications more now to support NR and Tru Niagen, and that's really impressive, and it's testimony to a willingness to do the hard work. Because if you want to offer a supplement to advance human health, you really need to explore all of its reverberations through human health. And the scientists involved with Chromadex and Tru Niagen are doing exactly that. And then the company is really impressive. I don't mean Chromadex, the company. I mean the company I'm keeping on the Science Advisory Board. People with absolutely stellar professional credentials, including Nobel Prizes. So frankly, it's quite a humbling experience. And the other thing, personally, that I look for in taking on a role like this is that it's educational for me. And I've learned a lot because these are experts in metabolic pathways and cell biology and biochemistry, whereas my expertise is much more at the level of public health. So I feel like I'm supporting a very important public health crusade and learning a lot into the bargain.